As house prices rise, the dream of home ownership for many Māori is becoming an impossible dream.
But the Ranga-Bidois whānau from Ngāruawāhia are showing Māori that home ownership is possible as they aim to build homes for their whānau. Potaka Maipi attended the opening of their first 3 houses.
This could easily be an auction for a reality build your own home TV series. But there are no auctioneers or a winner-take-all prize package, only Māori whānau determined to build their own whare. Today is the opening of 3 new whānau ora homes based in Ngāruawāhia. So impressed, the Minister of Māori Development, Te Ururo Flavel, has come to launch the Māori Housing Network.
Anei te tauira mena ka kite mai ai te āhutanga ngā whare nei. Ka tae e tētahi, e hari te mea rūnanga, hengari e tarati, whānau tonu, e whakatū i tō rātau ake rōpū, kia tae ai e rātau te whakatinana i o rātau wawata. He moni kai ko, ki tiku nātu ai e rātau tērā moni, whakakao hia, anei te whakatinanatanga o te moimoia.
A moimoia realised, dreamed up 3 years ago by the Ranga-Bidois whānau, and many people have come to celebrate.
If we had land, we would build homes, we'll build a Papakāinga.
And that Papakāinga has been built.
So inspirational. In fact, it was Auntie Poppy who planted the seed for us about whānau ora and start talking about what that might look like for us. Exceptionally inspirational, and we hope that we will be doing the same thing for whānau behind us in the future.
To build something like this is not easy. Building one house is hard. Building multiple houses, it's a mission. And you know, we really want to acknowledge their hard work, and you know, it really just reflects on them as their strength as a family. What will come from this Papakāinga is that this family will be stronger because they're better supported in a you know, collective situation. So I can only see them going from strength to strength now that they have their Papakāinga up and running. So it's cool. It's really cool. Yeah.
These homes are in fact designed to be cool in the summer and warm in the winter, a whānau ora initiative to get more Māori into home ownership.
It's a hand up, not a handout. Today is about sharing with the whānau the knowledge about this journey, about the processes, about the resources to help you.
Māori housing is bleak. High state home tenants, 43% rent, and only 28% of Māori owning their own home.
Housing is the umbrella for all these other things we want to. Now I know that we've got a roof over our head, we're warm, we think we can aspire to other things. So those things, we've upskilled ourselves, we've created work for ourselves, we've created mahi for others.
This is in fact a Ranga-Bidois whānau Papakāinga project, 3 brand new homes built behind their parents' original home, and there are plans underway to build 4 more whare for the rest of the whānau.
It's to bring the whānau concept under kaupapa and to unite us, to better ourselves and to do the rightful thing with our land, and to make sure that we keep a hold of it and we keep it for generations.
Aubrey Te Kanoa is gathering mātauranga from the Minister as he is leading his Papakāinga project in Whaingaroa. He wants to build 22 new whare and is impressed from what he's seen today.
Well, what the Papakāinga represents is an avenue for returning back to hapu-based living, and it's actually quite important for, you know, social development. It's important for raising people the right way. It's important for reducing living costs. It's important for a whole bunch of reasons, and a lot of them are economic, they're social, all the things that we want to try and achieve as Māori for our people. So it's a central strategy for the development of iwi, and so these need to be as prevalent as marae in the future. So that's where I think it's going, and it needs to go.
The Ranga-Bidois whānau aim to tune up, inspire, as they have already given advice to other whānau about their own papakāinga.
We discussed what whānau order looked like for us as a whānau. So 3 things we identified. We wanted to set ourselves up as a whānau trust, which we've done. We also wanted to develop the mussel fritter business, which is at the markets in Ngāruawāhia every Saturday, which we are doing. And we also wanted to look at a papakāinga development. Yeah.
I'm not sure if developer is the right term for Te Rūrango Kirikiriroa Chair Mere Balza, but she is on a mission to build 100 new whānau order homes, and today she has seen 3 more opened, and many more are currently being built.
This family just an ordinary family, but they had a dream and they sat down, and over the years they've worked towards attaining that dream.
I needed a succession plan, or my husband and I wanted a succession plan for our whānau. What do I mean by that? What will our whānau look like in 20 years? That's how far ahead we're thinking.
And it's just so inspiring to see what happens when whānau just do things for themselves.
Under the Māori Housing Network, there is $14 million set aside to help whānau into these new homes.
Tuatahi, kei reira, kei roto te poni kōkiri ētahi hei āwhini a rātou ki te whakariterite i ngā āhuatanga katoa, ki tāia e rātou te whaiwhai haere, te kimi whare, te hanga whare rānei. Ko te mate nui, he kore mōheo no ētahi, me haere ki hea, me pātai kia wai, he hanga pātai e tika ona, kai he te moni, me pehe e tāia ai rātou te whaiwhai haere tēnei tauira, nō reira koe te mihi ki tēnei whānau, te mihi nai nei, nei te puna mā tauranga o tēnei momo āhuatanga. Mena he take tā tētahi, me hara mai ki enei momo whānau, o tira ki te puni kōkiri, konei te tikanga o tēnei kaupapa, ko te Māori Housing Strategy.
Feasting on success, they built the roads, surveyed, plumbed, and even named the street, a tribute to 3 ānias who got their way.
Pānia, one of the owners, my daughter-in-law, Tania, my girl, my daughter, and Mania, Hope, who's our lawyer. Yeah, so that's where all the ānias came from, yeah. So for a bit of a sense of humour and all that, but it was appropriate, yeah. Those 3 women, yeah. Poppy didn't rhyme.
Oh, that's so cool. It's more than 20 years since Māori housing provision was taken out of Māori Affairs. The Ranga-Bidois project is part of the government's $35 million investment over the next 4 years to improve housing outcomes for Māori.